So apparently a lot of people have been having issues with this latest version of Chrome since they've removed the TLS 1.0 and TLS 1.1 version. They don't support it. They've removed it out of their browser. There is a way to bypass this, um, but just to back up a little bit, if you are running an Exchange server, server 2008, 2011, 2012, and you're running an old version of TLS, I have another video that's linked in the description for you. If you're the person that is visiting a website using the Chrome browser and you don't know who's hosting on the other end and you're just trying to get to the website, then you need to do a different set of things to get it fixed so then you can then browse that website again. So to do that, you just open up a tab and you just copy this link that I have here in your URL and just hit enter. And these are just basically advanced settings you can adjust within Google Chrome. So since I put this and I flagged the legacy TLS enforced, what you want to do is hit this drop down and go down to disable. Once you disable this, it's going to not enforce that legacy of the TLS version. So then once you hit relaunch, like it's asking us to do here at the bottom, then you'll be able to browse that website using that old version of TLS encryption. Now I recommend not doing this because the person on the other end should have updated their server, changed their configuration, changed their encryption method, but apparently they have not. But if you really need to get to that website, then obviously this is your best way to do that. You can also try a different browser like Internet Explorer, Firefox, Opera, and maybe you're only getting that error message in Chrome, because I know maybe Firefox still supports it for now, but they might change that later down the road just like Chrome did. So this is a way to get around that. But like I said, I recommend not doing that. If you're a server guy that's trying to get this fixed for your Outlook web access or your IIS server, please look at the other video in this description for that other video. Hope this helps you guys. Thank you.